Okay, this is a take two for the riffle stitch on the Queen Americana coaster, and you're going to join in the third space and single crochet in the same space, and then chain 3, skip 1, single crochet, chain 3, skip 1, single crochet, chain 3. And do this to the across to the corner, and in the corner you're going to single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, and then chain 3, skip, two, chain 3, skip 1, chain 3, skip 1, chain 3, skip 1, and then do the chain 4 in the corner, skip 2, chain 3, skip 1, all right, and I'm going to, you should have 8. Oh, you should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should have 8. So, oh no, this is right. You should have 7 chain spaces on each side. And then once you finish that, you're going to join your red in the second miss space. So over here we would join from behind. I'll just join here instead to show you. So you're going to join in that skip space and do a single crochet and chain 3, and then you're going to come around to the front and do a single crochet and chain 3. Now go around to the back in that skip space, do a single crochet and chain 3. Then come around to the front and in the skip space do a single crochet, chain 3, and back, single crochet, chain 3, and front, single crochet, chain 3. Now we're going to go behind and in the middle, single crochet, chain 3. Now in the front, 1, 2, 3. That's that is not right. So go to the back, and then we're going to go to the front in the skipped space, and single crochet, chain 3. Now in the back, chain 3, and in the front chain 3, and in the back chain 3, front and back and front and back, and go in the middle, and then in the front skip in the skip space, and then in the back, and you have this recurring pattern. You can see this cute little edge, and you just continue around like that, and you'll join in that first single crochet once you come around. Thank you.